In front of me is HUAWEI Y7a, and let me show you how to use camera timer in this phone. First of all, you need to locate and open your camera app, then tap on more icon and select timer right here and pick 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay. It's all up to you, so just pick the option that you want to apply. Let me go with 5 seconds, and from now on you can see that the picture will be taken after 5 seconds. And that's it, now it has been grabbed. Then whenever you would like to deactivate timer, just mark the settings again, go to timer and click on off. So we've just turned off the timer, as you can see, it's now working in a default mode. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.